Hello, my name is Brian Slicer and I'm the Class 8 Channel Manager for Buyers Products. Today we're here to check out the brand new line of frame steps for Class 8 trucks. We realize that frame space is at a premium. That's why our new frame steps are available with 12, 18, and 24-inch models to accommodate for any available frame space. Grip strut on the steps provides superior traction even in inclement weather. It's also easy to clean, which is vital for life on the road. Speaking of life on the road, let's talk construction. These steps are built to withstand anything thrown at them. The steps are made of corrosion-resistant aluminum, so you never have to worry about rust or weather. 0.188-inch thick side plates can shrug off road debris and other impacts. A universal 4-bolt mounting pattern makes it easy to install the frame steps in a location that will best suit your vehicle. Thank you for checking out the new frame steps for Class 8 trucks for Buyers Products. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Check out buyersproducts.com for more information.